Hi, everybody. So we are back again. We are going to go ahead and we are going to do Saturn this time. Saturn is that cool planet with all those rings. So by this time, you should be really, really comfortable with what you are supposed to be doing. I apologize. This kind of got a little bit weird here. It's going to move it down. Make sure that your planets are in order. All right. So we are going to do Saturn. All right. We're going to go ahead and take these away like we've been doing. We're going to find a picture of Saturn. Okay, we're going to go with images. All right. Ooh, we got some cool ones. I think I am going to choose this one right here. I think this one's a neat one. I'm going to go ahead and save my image. All right, I'm going to save it. I'm going to have it float down there like that. And we're going to go ahead and bring her on up. Okay, we're going to need to make it a little bit bigger. So this one is kind of like how Jupiter was. Didn't quite fit the So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to do it on this side this time, or maybe we'll do everything over here. Okay, so let's go ahead and put our information on here. Let's see. I think I'm going to put it right here in the middle. All right, I'm going to choose Saturn. I'm going to change the font. Let's make it big. Ooh, there you go. That's a good one. And let's find a good font for it. Ooh, Anton. Ooh, that looks kind of good. I like that one. All right, and then let's find a color for it. I'm gonna go with this yellowy color. Yeah, it kind of matches Saturn. All right, that looks good. So let's go ahead and pick our three facts. It says surrounded by rings, winds can blow up to 500 miles per hour, many moons, made of mostly hydrogen. I think I'm going to do the rings, the winds, and the hydrogen. Those are the three I'm going to do. So we're going to do surrounded by rings. So surrounded. I think I spelled surrounded wrong. Surrounded. I think I spelled it wrong. It was right the first time with the two R's. Miss Miles is weird. Okay, surrounded by rings. And I think I still spelled it wrong. Yeah, there we go. Sometimes you got to use spell check a couple of times. All right. Let's go ahead and put our font. So remember I used the Anton. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. All right, surrounded by rings. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and make this center alignment. And I'm going to let's do blue. There we go. I'm going to move this over just a little. Okay. Actually, I think I'm going to squish it up just a little bit. And I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. And that's being weird. All right, it's being weird. There we go. Okay, perfect. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to be funny here, and I'm just going to type in rings or ring. All right. So since we want to be creative and unique, why don't we go ahead and use rings? Right? Rings. Okay. Remember, we want to be funny and we want to be unique and interesting. All right, we want to be able to make this pleasing to the eye and original. Right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do this right here. Oh, that's awfully, awfully big. We know that Saturn is not surrounded by these kind of rings. The rings that Saturn is surrounded by are all made of ice and rocks and things. All right, good job. So now we're going to go ahead and do winds can blow up to 500 miles per hour. That is some crazy wind speeds. I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to put it down here. All right, I am going to change my font to white so I can see it. Okay, so winds can blow up to, or wind speeds, let's do wind speed, sorry. Wind speeds up to 500 miles per hour. And I'm going to just put some exclamation points there because that's kind of crazy. I'm going to go ahead and center this. And then I'm going to go ahead and make it bigger. Let's go ahead and do our font and make it bigger. Ooh, that's kind of good. And let's go ahead and, you know what, let's keep it white. White's okay. Let's keep it white. I think I like the white. Let's go ahead and just do, let's do heavy or, let's see, high wind speeds. Let's see what we got here. Oh, wow, that's kind of crazy. Alrighty. Oh, now this is kind of fun. Let's do this. This is kind of a nifty one. Caution, high winds. It's kind of neat. All right, so let's go ahead and save this image. Download it. Guys, remember some fun stuff here. All right, so I go there. Gonna make it a little bit smaller. Apologize for that beeping sound you hear. All right, there we go. And then the last one we're gonna do is made of mostly hydrogen. So remember, hydrogen is a gas. It's actually the first element on the periodic table. So you'll learn that maybe in chemistry, if you ever take chemistry. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it up here. I'm going to make my font white so I can see it. Okay. Made up mostly of hydrogen. Made up mostly of hydrogen. I'm going to go ahead and center it. Right. I'm going to change the font to Anton. Going to make it a little bigger. Let's see. I think I'm going to stretch it out a little bit and make it a little smaller. Put it up here. All right, and let's go ahead and see if we can find a picture of hydrogen. Actually, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the picture of the high winds actually over here, and I'm going to move this actually a little bit over like that. There we go. All right, let me go ahead and change this color. I don't want white because we had white down here. All right, let's go ahead and do, let's do this crazy, let's do green. Yeah, there we go. All right, and we're gonna do hydrogen. Hydrogen. All right. Alrighty. Well, what I could do is actually, this is kind of a cool thing. This is actually the element of hydrogen. Why not, right? Let's go ahead and use this one. Save image as. You guys are doing great. By this time, you should be experts of doing this. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this up here. Going to make it small. And there we go. There is Saturn. So Saturn is all done. Our next screencastify, we're going to be working on our next one, which is Uranus. And we're going to do that next time. All right. Have a good day, everybody, and we'll see you later.